One-day state-level workshop at Lamyan Basanglen organized by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPR stresses on issue of heavy weight of school bags, and Panthobi Group of Companies and its subsidiary companies hold Team Convention 2020 at Classic Grant in Chimero. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR along with Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR held one-day state-level workshop on the issue of heavy weight of school bags at Lamyan Basanglen in Palace Compound today. Experts including ZEOs and teachers of various schools and colleges stress on the academic and physical burden brought upon students due to carrying of heavy school bags during the technical sessions of the workshop. Speaking to Impact News, senior technical expert of NCPCR Naughty Sale Education Division Paresh Shah assured that NCPCR will organize such workshop across the country and recommend necessary measures to ease the burdens facing the students.
So first of all, we would like to look at the core areas of challenges and gaps, because there is some movement I realize that has happened which is in positive direction in Manipur. We would like to see that, and based on it we will try to give step by step significant and concrete recommendations, and we will surely share it with the state government also. So we will first, there is an open house, there is a deliberation session wherein the ZEOs and others are going to be talking about it. We will take it from there and then we will document the recommendations and we will share it with you as well.
One-day training camp workshop on basic human rights was held at SK Women College in Nambol, Bishnupur district today. Department of Human Rights and Human Rights Studies Center of SK Women College organized the event, and the National Human Rights Commission. Professor S. Mangi stressed on human rights and Gandhian perspectives of men at a technical session of the workshop. Chairperson of Manipur State Human Rights Commission Khaidem Mani, teachers and students of the college took part in the program. Panthobi Group of Companies and its subsidiary companies held Team Convention 2020 at Classic Grant in Chingmairong today. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of Panthobi Housing Finance Company Limited, PHFCL, a subsidiary of Panthobi Group of Companies, Thokchom Hemo, said that Panthobi Housing Finance Company Limited has been providing subsidized home loans to urban and rural areas under Prime Minister Awaj Yojana PMAY since 2015. He further said the company is making efforts to provide maximum home loans by 2020. TH Hemo added that the company also provides start-up funds to budding entrepreneurs. He stated that the company has occupied a reputed position among finance companies of the country and is extending necessary help to the public in a lawful manner.
Panthobi Group of Companies na koi miyamgi hena phaba thabak to mathang tawjarakanda magi expansion di housing sigidam tadi across the country ni across the globe ni masin matam na purakado makhani matam na purak pa haje kanda koi team players ingi hard work discipline aduga muksu akoi people gi support adu ishwar gi thaujan khudimak sidagi orakado bani sigi wakalon simak yakno miyam da thamjari koi amtang di clean picture ama ngasagi magi loan pibagi kari tobagi mayam musagi housing solution financial solution mayam sigi mathang streamline tawthorokna bagi amakakni Panthobi.
A team of Commando Thaubal arrested a man in possession of 11 grams and 200 milligrams of heroin number 4 near the oil pump of Lelong Ukumathag in the wee hours today. Acting on a tip-off, the Commando team led by JEM Muhammad Amin Khan along with volunteers of Yumkaipam Athletic Development Association YADA carried out search operations in the wee hours and seized a drug from 28-year-old Muhammad Nasir Hussain, son of Muhammad Abdul Halim. He has been handed over to Lelong Police Station for further interrogation. On the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on members of Worker Union Manipur visiting Kaibi village to encourage the villagers in making the village plastic-free. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Afternoon News. following declaration by residents of Kaivi village in Senapati district to make their village a plastic-free village and to convert it into a tourist spot. Executive members of Worker Union Manipur WUM have visited the village to encourage them. Speaking to media, WUM President W. Ananda lauded the Mao inhabitants of the village for their initiatives. He stated that WUM has been striving to make Imphal city and other parts of the state neat and clean. He assured that WUM will spread the experiences gained from visiting the village to other parts of the state. Speaking to media, convener of Kaivi Village Beautification Committee, Dr. Saheni Loli expressed happiness over WUM members visiting the village following declaration of the village as a model village by Outer Lok Sabha MP Dr. Lorho S. Fose. Manipur Dramatic Union in a press release informed that the union's play Swachh Bharat has bagged the Best Play Award at the 4th Hunar Rang Mahotsav 2019 International and National Drama or Dance Festival. Hunar organization organized a festival in Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh from December 23rd till 30th of 2019. And now the sports news. Hero I-League match between Trao FC and Minerva Punjab is underway at Imphal's Kumant Lampak Main Stadium since 2 this afternoon. In the second league match, Churchill brothers will lock horns with East Bengal at Goa's Fatorda Stadium at 5 this evening. While in the third league match, Kerala Gokulam will play against Aizawl FC at Kerala's EMS Stadium at 7:15 tonight. Mumbai City will play against ATK in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Mumbai Football Arena at 7:30 tonight. In yesterday's league match played at Bengaluru's Sri Kantivira Stadium, Bengaluru FC beat Goa FC by 2-1. The winning goals were scored by Sunil Chetri at 59th and 84th minute, while Hugo Bioma scored a lone goal for the losing team at the 61st minute of the match. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. One-day state-level workshop at Lamyan Sanglan organized by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. NCPCR stresses on need of heavyweight of school bags. And Panthobi Group of Companies and its subsidiary companies hold Team Convention 2020 at Classic Ground in Chiang Mai.